I am PK sir. So today we are going to read the new chapter, that is the Age of the Masons, chapter 13, subject history, right? So let's start the chapter. Okay. Okay. The first point is early stone tools, not point, actually headings, right? Now already I have told you that we are living in the age of the Masons, right? Because we are not able to do anything, any kind of work without the help of the Masons. That is definitely true. Now, you have to know that what do you mean by the Masons. Okay, a Masons is a tool. Okay, that makes our works easier. Understood? It's very simple. And we are living in the age of the machines, and we are doing every kind of work like cooking, gas cylinders, TV, fridge, AC, whatever is totally made of machines. Okay, now that is for the modern things. Now imagine around 10 lakhs years ago, the early human lived without the machines. You know that because they didn't know anything about that, right? Their brain was not so developed. But year by year, okay, they have developed their brains, and so that's why they were being able to make the first stone tools. Okay, so it was very simple things for the hunting because they did not know about the cookings or all that kind of things. But year by year, with their intelligence, early human first, made simple stone tools, but later on, the progress of our development, the progress of our brain development was going on, and we have developed ourselves. But which invention we are using today, the scientific technology we are using today, that started just before 300 years. So it's very interesting, right? That we appeared on the earth 10 lakh years ago or 20 lakh years ago, but when our brain developed completely, just 300 years ago, we started invention of the different machines that makes our life very, very easier. Followed? Okay. Now, so I have clarified this idea. Okay, I have clarified your doubts. So turn to the next head, discovery of the metals. Okay, so suddenly around 8,000 years ago, copper was the first metal, you know, to be discovered around 8,000 years ago, and probably in India. Understood? And copper was much better option to make better tools and the weapons than the stone tools, isn't it? Now, second point. The second most important discovery was bronze. Okay, bronze is the mixture of copper and tin. Understood? And it discovered around 6,000 years ago. And it is also probably in India. Bronze is more harder than the copper. Understood? Now coming to the third point, iron. One of the most important discovery in the human history, that is the iron. It is much more harder, it is much more durable, and you can make better tools and the weapons. Even our agriculture process has been developed because we were using the iron plow. And today in the modern world, we are not able to do anything. That means anything means not like building the houses or any kind of like gas cylinders, everything. Everywhere you can find out the iron metal. That means without iron, you cannot say you are modern civilized people. Follow? Now, our progress also became much better, and iron tools was used to cut down the trees, clear forest for the agriculture, and which helped us for the fasting progress. Understood? These headings: discovery of the metal. Point number one is copper. Point number two is bronze. Point number three is the iron. Understood? Now coming to the third point. Third headings: wheels, skirt, and boats. So point wise we will discuss it. Boats. Now already you have learned about the boats in the transportation chapter. Early humans rode the rafts and the boats for sailing, isn't it? Later, human learned that how to use the forces of the wind and made sailboats. You can see that the picture. In this way, the sailboats sailed on the oceans and the rivers and the seas for the trading. Okay. Even the early humans learned how to use the forces of the moving water to run the simple machines. And around several percentage of the electricity which you are using today, it is totally generating from the hydroelectric project by using this simple technique, forces of the moving water, like DVC in West Bengal. It is the hydroelectric project. You know that it is situated in the Durgapur. Now, next to the point, next point, wheels and the carts. See, we cannot say exactly that when wheels was discovered, okay, but definitely you can say that carts using wheels around 5000 years ago. That evidence also have been found in the India. Okay, when carts use the wheels, it was pulled by the humans because we did not domesticate the animals. Later on, oxen, ox or bull or the horses were pulling, right? Now, in the earlier times, carts were pulling by humans, and in this way we have developed ourselves, and right now different types of wheels you are using. In the cycles, several wheels, okay, in the motorcycles are the other wheels. So in this way we are developing, and we are developing our future, we are developing our present. So that's why now that your life become more comfort and you are being able to contact with anyone, while using the smartphones, computers, laptops, right? So this is the result of our development of the scientific technology. Understood? So I'm finishing this video lessons for today, and in another video file I'll upload the materials. Hope you have understood. If you have any problems, definitely you can contact with me. Okay.